The Lowepro Whistler RL 400 AW2 is a tough rolling camera case that blends a rigid outer shell with weather-resistant fabric to keep sensitive gear safe in harsh conditions. Its interior camera compartment is generously sized, handling multiple professional bodies, long telephoto lenses, and accessories, while still staying within typical carry-on limits for flights. The removable camera box with flexible dividers makes it easy to customize the layout for different shoots, or pull the core kit out quickly at a location. Treaded urethane wheels and a solid telescoping handle give the roller a very stable, confidence-inspiring feel on rough pavement and through busy terminals. Dedicated padded sleeves for a laptop and tablet are positioned for quick side access, which is especially helpful when clearing security or working on the move. An integrated all-weather cover and the overall build quality make this roller a reliable choice for photographers who regularly work in rain, snow, or dusty environments.